Hi there. So I'm Glenn. So I've been doing Facebook ads and Instagram ads for about more than 4 years now. I've been helping e-commerce and local businesses to increase sales and leads to their business. I'm the one who are creating their campaign, setting up their campaign, and then doing the market research, competitor research, and product research in order to tailor fit the ads. And then I'm the one also who are checking the data, if which one is working, if which one is not, so that we can improve our ads campaign, and then also helping them to increase their online presence in social media. And then I want to join here so that I will help the business to make it successful by providing the Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So that's me. Bye bye.